In this video, I'm going to show you how I turn these greasy parts of the dishwasher and make them glistening and ready to use. So stay tuned to the rest of the video to find out how I do it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I clean the dishwasher using elbow grease and the pink stuff. These are the products that I'm going to be using. So basically, first of all, you empty the dishwasher. I know it's basic. You should just empty your dishwasher and yeah, just prepare it by putting things away and remove all the racks, the top rack and the bottom rack. It's easy to do. As you can see, I just make sure that everything is completely removed. Any grease or any dirty parts have been taken out, including removing the base of the rack, and I'm just going to put it away. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly get my gloves on, put on my gloves and the sponge. These are the products I'm using again. So basically I spray the elbow grease around the edges of the dishwasher because they are the ones that tend to be filled with the most grease. And yeah, elbow grease is my favorite product to use, as you can see from this channel. And so I just make sure I go throughout all the edges of the dishwasher, and then I take my toothbrush and I just go all through the edges. As you can see, toothbrush is the best thing to use because they can get in all different parts of the dishwasher, and as you can see, it's got some really tough grease and yeah, not so cute. So yeah, I just make sure I go every part of the dishwasher again, especially around the hinges of the dishwasher, and I take my elbow grease sponge and I just quickly, scrub around the area of the dishwasher. And also, if you notice on the edge, of the cupboard where your dishwasher is installed, that also does tend to get really dirty. Yeah, this is really bad. So yeah, I just basically do that, and then I get my microfiber cloth and I just wipe off the excess dirt and the excess product. And microfiber cloth is my favorite thing to use as well because it just absorbs everything in one go. And if I find some extra things that need some attention, I just quickly spray the elbow grease onto the cloth. So, and I just work my way around and then sometimes I find some tougher stains need a little bit extra love, so I'll pour in some pink stuff onto the sponge, and this works perfectly around the edges of the cupboards where things, yeah, it's my favorite thing to do. And I love the pink stuff. It doesn't have any strong smells to it, and it's one of my favorite products to use. If you're finding proper value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So other hard to reach areas, again, I tend to get my toothbrush and my microfiber cloth. They're the best combination things to use, and you can squeeze the microfiber cloth in there using your toothbrush. I'm also going to show you from this angle how as you can see that tough stain over there. Not sure how long that's been there, but again, just pour a bit of elbow grease onto the sponge, and then I just work it onto the edge of the cupboard. Fantastic, isn't it? Fantastic product. I love the pink stuff. And then I just wipe off the rest with the microfiber cloth. And this is the other side of the dishwasher. I should try and do this maybe once a month or whenever you have time. But I tend to rinse the inside of the dishwasher maybe like twice in a month. You have to try and clean the things that clean for you. So yeah, as you can see, these are the greasy parts of the dishwasher, the components that you tend to forget about them. So this is really, really extreme grease, and yeah, I apologize. But yeah, so basically what I do, I tend to get a little kitchen roll and I just wipe off, remove the excess grease or whatever is lingering around that. As you can see, it's literally just melting off. Sometimes I normally spray it first with some elbow grease just to loosen it up, and I do it on all the parts of the dishwasher, like the base part of the dishwasher. I'm not sure what they're called, but that's what I do. Then I'm just going to quickly rinse. As you can see, my glove is covered in grease, so I'm just going to wipe my hands with that. And yeah, so I've just basically sprayed everything with elbow grease to loosen up the grease and all the dirt, and get my favorite toothbrush again, and this time I'm going to use some fairy liquid dishwashing soap, and I'm just going to thoroughly brush everything off, you know, any excess grease that would have been left behind, or any that are inside there. I'm not sure what the name is, but yeah. So just get my toothbrush and just literally work in all the parts of the dishwasher, like no part is left uncleaned. I'm sure you can use like some other tablets or some other products to make sure that you literally clean and rinse it. I think there's a cycle you can put to self-clean, but unfortunately I can't show you the inside, but I'm sure you know how to do that. I'm just showing you how to clean the parts of the dishwasher. So again, I just pour a little bit more dishwashing liquid, and just make sure I go in all areas and all parts of the. So yeah, how often do you do this? Let me know in the comment section below how often you clean your dishwasher, and yeah, what products you use, so I can try them out and I can review them, and then quickly put things back and pop them back again into the dishwasher. Now everything is nice and clean, and it's my favorite part because you can see the difference. You know, everything's ready, and I clip everything, ensure that everything's tight, and I just clean. As you can see around the edges of the dishwasher, everything has been wiped and cleaned. There's no more dirt, there's no more grease. And then when that's done, I quickly put everything back, including all the trays. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video.